Alright guys, here's the new motor for our boat. It's the yanmar. We only use our 9.9 on the back of it right now, so that just goes on the bracket on the back. We actually use it on a dinghy and on as a backup. But the motor we had in there before was a cell drive motor, and it was just an Evinrude 2-stroke. It wasn't very reliable. It didn't run very good when we got the boat. So this is what we're putting in there. I know it's a small horsepower, but that's all we need. We just want something reliable. So this is what we chose. We picked it up for a good price. I took the head off, so that's in the shop getting redone. So that is that. We're gonna go ahead and redo the starter. We're gonna put a new alternator on it. We've already went through it and looked at everything. Everything shifts real nice. All the gears are good. So today we're gonna go to the boat and we're gonna cut out where the cell drive was, where it fed through the hull of the boat. So I'll be cutting that out, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill that in. And I've already made the new engine brackets for this engine. So later on them will be fiberglassed in and everything. But for now, I'm just gonna be, today's video would just be on cutting them out. It's nice and rainy out today. So there'll be no fiberglassing today. Just wanted to give everybody a look at the motor. It's just sitting in the garage. Pour apart a little bit. I also wanted to add that with the size of our boats, the 28-foot O'Day, there's not a lot of room as far as to put a motor in. I know a lot of people are saying, oh, go bigger, but in order to get it in and out of there, there's not a lot of room. So this is going to barely fit in there without us having to cut a bunch of stuff out. So it's something we wanted to do. We wanted to get something small, something that we could maintain easy, you know, take apart or whatever if we had to. And most of all, just have something, reliable engine in the boat. And then, like I said, if we need another engine, we will have that on the back of the boat. So that does push our boat at hull speed, that 9.9. So that's today's day. All right, we're here at the boat. So this is the cell drive opening that goes through the hull. Get a little close up. So this flange is what we're gonna do, is we're gonna cut it right down flat. And then the inside here, I already cut that flange smooth, so it's like completely smooth with the boat. And once I get this off, I'm gonna glass it. And then the engine mounts obviously will go on the side. And I know it's hard to see back there. See if I can get a flashlight. Then we'll run our shaft right through there, right through the hull, and put our strut in and everything. So that's the project today, is to get this cut out. So let me get set up and we'll get going. been working at it a little bit. Let's see. I did get quite a bit done. I got this fringe out. This is what actually went in the bottom of the boat, like this. It's basically what came out of the bottom. Drop that through the hole. Oop. Anyways, this is what I got left. Just a little bit. We'll get that smoothed out and go from there. Clean it all up and get the glassing.
So we took out the rim that was here that we showed you before, ground it down with the grinder, and now Bruce is actually taking some really thick, if you can see this, really thick woven fiberglass and put a layer on here, and we're gonna slowly start to build it up. So we're gonna let this sit for today because it's actually one of the actual nice warm days here in Wisconsin, which is few and far between, but it is nice today. So we're gonna let this dry and set, and then we're gonna start to slowly build it up, but he'll sand the edges, make it nice and clean, and then put another layer on until it's nice and even. So, and then we'll try to get the new engine in, hopefully.